Hey everybody, Caesar here with Kalder. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to get started with making a membership portal for your brand with Kalder. Firstly, on the Kalder admin dashboard, move to the Memberships tab and hit Create Your Membership Portal. You'll be led to this page. In step 1, you'll be asked to upload your brand logos. The brand logos will be displayed on the top left corner of your membership portal. Upload or drag and drop your brand logos into the Upload Image button. For the first logo, upload a light version of your logo against a dark background. Any image size is accepted and will be scaled to fit the portal. Feel free to use a transparent background as well and crop accordingly. Next, upload a dark version of your logo against a light background. Again, transparent backgrounds are accepted and any image size will work. Depending on what you choose as the background image for your portal, Kalder's platform will automatically switch between the two logos to make sure that they are fully visible. Next, upload a brand icon that will be used as the display image for the mobile app and for a browser tab. Please note that only images sized under 70 by 70 pixels will be accepted, and images with transparency will not work here. Hit Save Draft Changes to continue. Here in the first section, type in your membership name and write a brief description about your membership that will be shown on your landing page. We're going to call our membership Maison Iris World. Remember that non-members will also be able to see this description and everything you configure in this step. Next, create a name for the first tier of your community. If you'd like to create more tiers, you'll also be able to do this later on. Your tier will be shown on your card as well as your Apple Wallet pass. After this step, upload an image that will be the background on your card. Images with a 25 by 16 ratio are accepted, and they must be JPEG, JPG, or PNG files. Next, you can change the color of the text on your card by either selecting a color from the spectrum or by inserting a color code into the box if you already know what color you'd like to use. Using the color wheel will also generate a color code for you to use in other design aspects later on. Lastly, adjust the glow radius of the card for an aesthetic touch to your portal. Choose a color and glow radius that fits your brand best. Hit Save Draft Changes to continue. Here, you can change the background color of your page by either choosing from the color wheel or by typing directly into the color code box. We're gonna go with black. Next, choose an image that will be the background for the top half of the site. Any image size will work, and feel free to crop as necessary. Hit Save Changes, and under that, you can adjust text options for your welcome message and membership name as well. In this case, we're going to be changing the color first. Here, we already know the color code that we want to use, and as you can see, the color is reflected onto the Welcome to Maison Iris World. Now, if you want to create a gradient, change up the order and the sequence of the colors as they appear, and you can see that a gradient will appear on your Maison Iris World title as well. In terms of font, Kalder has provided you with default font options of commonly used fonts that you might want to use. Feel free to change as necessary, but here we're going to be using Gaunt Seurat. Lastly, choose color options for your miscellaneous options, such as the little icons next to the overview and experiences under Join Waitlist, or change the colors for your sign up and login buttons. Once you've made your selections, hit Save Draft Changes and continue on to the next section where we'll be configuring your call to action button. Be looking at step 4 of the portal design process, where we will be configuring the call to action button, which is where your customers will either join your membership or join your waitlist. Let's look at the CTA button color first. Similar to your welcome message, you can choose between 3 color options to create a gradient or adjust accordingly to fit your portal's aesthetic. As you can see, the join button on the preview has changed according to a new color scheme. Next, we're going to change the color of the font in the button. Let's make our text more visible by choosing a color that contrasts with its background. In this case, we're going to go for black. Lastly, if you'd like to create a waitlist and approve members manually, you can leave the Collect Emails toggle on. However, if you'd like to accept every member registration automatically and skip a waitlist step for them so that your members can join directly, you can toggle this off to show a link to sign up instead. Here, it's going to change and say Join Membership instead of Join. Hit Save Draft Changes to continue to the next step of the process. In step 5 of creating a membership portal, you'll be configuring the summaries of the benefits and perks of your membership program. This is going to be shown on your landing page under your membership description. Firstly, choose an icon color for your benefits. Again, for consistency, we're going to use the same shade of green that we used earlier by pasting the color code into the box. This will change the color of the icons accordingly on your preview. Kalder has provided you with 6 default icons, but if you'd like to use your own custom icons, you can press the small plus sign on the top left corner of the icons to upload your own. Next, title your benefits and perks and write short descriptions about each. Hit save draft changes and continue. We're in the last step and you're nearly there. In step 6, choose a subdomain name for your membership portal and type it into the box. We're going to type in Maison Iris World in our case, because that's what we want our subdomain name to be. If you'd like to use a custom domain name, please contact us and we can get that sorted out for you. Once you're done, hit publish live and you're now ready to go. Once live, you'll get a pop-up notification saying that your membership has been published and is now live. Hit go to member portal on the pop-up notification and you'll be led to the portal you've just published. You can check how it looks, but if you made a mistake, don't worry because your portal is still fully editable even after going live. You can do this by heading back to the Kalder admin dashboard, going to the memberships tab, where you'll now see your newly published membership, and pressing edit details to reconfigure your membership portal. Now that we've finished designing your membership portal, we're going to move on to create a Apple Wallet pass. See you in the next video.